Hey guys, it's Lauren here, aka the Macrame. I'm here to show you guys my DIY Macrame Wreath Ornaments. This kit contains enough to make 2 of the wreath ornaments. If you're here watching this, you've probably purchased one of them, so I'd just like to say a huge thank you for coming out and supporting my business. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to show you what's inside the kits. First of all, we have some gorgeous Christmas packaging. And on the top, you'll find an instructions booklet. This contains photos and step-by-step instructions that will take you through how to make your wreath ornament. There's enough cotton cord there for two metal rings to build your wreath around, and 2 tartan bows to finish them off. So the first thing that we're going to do is unravel our cotton cord from the card paper. Once we've done this, we're going to find the middle of the cord. So we're going to put the 2 ends together and slide it through our fingers, just like this. And we're going to keep going all the way until the end, until we find the loop at the end, and our cord is essentially folded in half. So the first step for creating the wreath is to make a lark's head knot. To do this, what we're going to do is take the folded end of the cord, place it over the top of the metal ring, take it underneath, and then we're going to pull the 2 cord ends through the loop that we've created. Make sure here that the cords don't get twisted. Then you can take the metal ring in one hand and pull the 2 cord ends tight to finish off the knot. Next, we're going to wrap the ring on the right hand side. To do this, we're going to use what's called alternating half hitch knots. So we're going to cast aside the left cord end for now, take the right hand cord and bring it up and over the metal ring. Just like you can see here. And then we're going to pull it through the loop and keep pulling to tighten. So that is the first half of the alternating half hitch knot. For the second half, using the same cord end, we're going to pass it underneath the metal ring this time. We're going to bring the cord end back up and over the ring and pull it through the loop created and keep going to tighten it. Congratulations, you've just completed your first alternating half hitch knot. Notice how that knot looks just like the one right next to it. But we did this one using just 1 cord end. Here I am repeating the steps again. And we're going to keep going until we have 13 alternating half hitch knots. And we have filled roughly half of the metal hoop with them. Now I don't expect you to do yours this quickly. This is sped up. And next we're going to start on the left hand side, so we're going to do exactly the same on the left hand side with the alternating half hitch knots. You're going to keep going all the way until you've filled up the rest of the wreath. When it's done, it should look something like this, and you should have roughly 26 alternating half hitch knots. Now an ornament needs a hanger, so we're going to tie a simple knot up at the top, pull the cord through, and tighten. And that's created our hanger. Now we've got some cord left over, so we're going to snip that off the top. There we go. To finish these off, we have our gorgeous tartan bows. You're going to need to put a little bit of glue on the back of it. Press it into the wreath. And there we go. Congratulations, you've made your very first macrame Christmas wreath. Great job, guys. Thank you.